P&J Productions present a compilation of pouring. Oi! Sake. P&J Productions present a compilation of pouring.
There is a glass.
And that's it.
Oh, cash. Cold hard cash.
28th Street. Come in, Inspector. This is Daniel. There's some money left yet, Inspector. Thank you. Well, what are they waiting for, Inspector? For God's sake, give them a goose, will you? We're running out of time. We're running out of time.
Right, so we try Siren Lumina. SirenCraftBrew.com.
Vintage.
4.2.
Alright.
The Coke size tin. I would say it's very neck oilish.
Yeah.
I say very pleasant for a neck hot summer's evening.
How about 15 more minutes, Pelham? A lousy 15 minutes. Negative.
I'm trying Butty Bach Premier Ale 4.5% Y Valley Brewery. Let's do a sniff test. Oh, hard to say. Would you like to try them little soppette?
Oh yeah, well that'd be a... It's interesting.
Quite great. My God, you've got more head than John Holmes, Rex the Impaler, and Ron Jeremy. Oh, mate, you should get the rest of that in there, mate.
Conductor. You mean me? Yes, I do mean you. Would you just stand up and come down here, please? Why? What are you going to do? Just something you can help me with. Come on. Come down here.
One of them looks like he got shot like a bloody cannon.
Last long. Oh, that's 3.4%. It's very nutty.
Ooh. All Bass beer. Have some tap.
P&J Productions now present pouring ale into a glass.
Bollocks.